Hello fellow traders, it's Rafał Zuchowicz and welcome to my channel. In today's video we will be talking about New Zealand to Swiss franc pair, where I think, at least it looks like from my deep analysis, that there will be a massive move up. So a few hundred pips to be made. If you are interested, stay tuned. Of course, quick disclaimer, this is educational video. I'm showing you here how I look at the market, how I see the market, how I interpret Ichimoku strategy by Goichi Hosoda, by Ichimoku Sanjin. And I don't take responsibility for your trades. So if you make $1 million trading my strategy, please send me some. If you make a loss, please don't sue me. Okay, without further ado, let's have a look. So I already marked some measurements for you to have a look at what happened so far on a chart previously. So we can see that we got a beautiful impulse through the cloud, through the Kijun, very similar to the one on the oil. On the WTI that I made a video about yesterday. So first impulse, retest of Kijun, another impulse, pullback, another impulse, pullback, another impulse. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 beautiful waves down. If we measure these movements, we can see that all these numbers and how they correlate with the Hosoda's numbers, and some of them like Kihonsuchi numbers, the main numbers, 26 being like the most important center. The Kijun is 26, yeah, so we see 26, then again 26, the target, the price is hitting target exactly at the certain time, of course 51, and so on and so forth, 34, 33 on the Hosoda numbers, there's 24 here, so 26 on Hosoda's charts. So that would be our target, but it was hit 2 days before, even better, even quicker, yeah? So we can cash our money quicker that way. And what can we expect now from this market? If we have a look, there is this magic line called UG, and this is the level when the price is expected to make some serious movement. It doesn't have to, but it might. It's a high possibility. And yesterday, exactly this happened. So we can see on 1 hour chart, yesterday there was a massive, basically the whole day, one big movement on 130 pips, white candles only. So this is our yesterday movement, exactly when the UG is. This is the first thing. Second thing is, if we run the current measurements for the current impulse and correction, we can see that, let's hide it a little, yesterday bottom and start of this new massive movement was exactly at 26. So again, 26, we remember the magic number. And after 8 days, and 9 is one of the Kihonsuchi numbers of pullback, of correction. So that was a very strong indication, and the market reacted beautifully. The Kijun changed its direction yesterday. Now the Kijun is touching the cloud. Chico span is touching the Kijun, so it's already above the candles, went through the candles, pull back, retest the candles, now is fighting with the Kijun. Once it's out of the Kijun is inside of the cloud and the price is outside of the cloud, and we broke this top, we are free to go really high. So there might be a few hundred pips movement. As a matter of fact, let's have a look how strong was the movement so far. So this impulse was 617. If we check the previous ones, 334, this one 360, this one 536, and this one, the final one, 677. So quite a strong movements. We can see 617, one of the longest, very strong go, strongly went through Kijun. So this is something definitely to put on your watch list. Of course, the cloud is still green. It should turn blue, but here is the thing: if we know the time theory, we don't need to wait so long for all these clouds to turn, for the price to get out, to make the pullback. Of course, this is like the best scenario to wait for, but we can already search for the opportunities on the lower time frames, like 4-hour charts or 1-hour chart. So we can see at the 1 hour, that's our yesterday's impulse, beautiful, went up to the cloud. So now we might wait for the price to retest the cloud and then buy at the retest. So this is our like sort of flag here. We can draw it, depends which what we want to connect here. Yeah, but more or less we don't need to be so precise. It's not like up to the pip, just to have the idea of what's going on. But of course, I like to have pretty pictures on my chart. Anyway, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and like touch the cloud and go up. That would be the perfect scenario. Look at the cloud; it's massive, it's very wide because of this movement yesterday, and yeah, it might happen. So this is something definitely to watch. Like someone asked me, I think yesterday in one of the comments, like when do you know when to buy? Sometimes the price is getting out of the cloud, but then it's coming back, I'm losing money, blah blah blah. So this is the key. I mentioned in the comment, like the wave theory and the time theory. So this is your time theory, this is your wave theory. And yeah, action reaction. So that's how it works, and I think this is something that we are on something here. Okay, guys. Of course, I encourage you to join the club as well. If you go to my website, over there, meetings 3 times a week. So we will be analyzing everything that's happening on the market and getting as much as possible, squeezing every single pip that is waiting for us over there. Yeah, and becoming a masters of universe, of course. Just joking. Okay, guys, all the best. I wish you a beautiful weekend. Have a good Friday. Lockdown, not lockdown, I don't know where you live, how is the situation in your country. Of course, I hope everyone is staying healthy. Subscribe to the channel, press the bell button so you will be notified about all these videos. The quicker you know about the analysis, the quicker you can take action on it. But once again, I don't take responsibility for your trades. It's your own decision. So, see you next time. Take care. Bye.